Was there a name for what you described as Mr. Depp's different self?
Yes.
What was that name?
We called it the Monster.
Who is we?
All of us. Me, Johnny, Amber, and anyone else in the inner circle that was privy to the private things that would happen. I was scared for Amber. I was sad for her, and I was also sad for Johnny. Because he is my friend, too. And I really wanted them to be able to get it together.
Why were you scared for Amber?
It could be very unpredictable. And she didn't have a lot of self-preservation.
What type of harm were you worried about for Amber?
In the beginning, I wasn't worried. Towards the end, when the physical was more evident, I was worried. I was worried for her physical safety. I was worried that when he turned, he might accidentally do something that was worse than he ever intended.